How many trees are there in a forest? What about a country? How about in the whole world? The answer, we now know, is that our planet is home to 3.04 trillion trees. That's actually almost 8 times more than we thought, as previous estimates were only based on satellite pictures. But now, we have data not just on how much land is covered in forest, but how dense those forests are as well. Measurements were collected by thousands of people out counting trees in forests all over the world. The average density of trees at each location is represented by the height of the green lines. Some of the densest areas are these subarctic forests, where you can find a tree every square metre. But almost half of all our trees are found growing in the vast tropical and subtropical forests. All this data is going to help our understanding of where endangered species might be able to live, how water is cycled in an ecosystem, or how much carbon dioxide is being absorbed from the atmosphere. It also helps us work out what we ought to be doing to preserve and replenish our planet's forests. Because even accounting for new growth, we're currently losing about 10 million trees a year. At the moment, there are about 400 trees for every person on Earth. But they're disappearing at a rate of 1.4 trees per person every single year. If we keep going at this rate, a walk in the woods will soon become a lot trickier. Thousands of years ago, before human civilization took hold, the Earth had almost twice as many trees as it does now. Most of Europe, for example, was one big forest. Groups all over the world are working on planting trees and restoring natural habitats. This new data will make their targets more accurate. And it will certainly change our fundamental understanding of our planet that we now know we share with 3.04 trillion trees.